who cannot breastfeed directly. Breast pumps give moms more flexibility, more comfort, and more control. Magnifying glass tilted left types of breastfeeding pumps. Narrator. There are 3 main types of breast pumps. 1. Manual breast pumps. These pumps work by hand. They are small, quiet, and easy to carry. Best for moms who pump occasionally. 2. Electric single pumps. These use electricity or batteries. They are faster than manual pumps. Perfect for moms who pump once or twice a day. 3. Electric double pumps. These pump both breasts at the same time. They save time, increase milk flow, and are great for working moms or mothers who pump often. Some modern pumps are wearable, meaning they fit inside your bra and allow hands-free pumping.
Make sure all the pump parts are clean and dry. Put the pieces together following the instructions that came with your pump. Step 2. Create a calm space.